the fireworks are going off here on this 4th of July evening right up here in Portland, Maine. You can see there's a lot of fireworks coming off. I mean, let's get a closer look. It is pretty dark out, but it's just the right atmosphere for the fireworks, indeed. Of course, you can see I-295 right behind me. Since we're right near exit 7 off of the highway. Right, but so it's good to see those fireworks along Marginal Way, and those fireworks are really going off.
There they go.
Boom! Ooh, they're even going off from over there. It's a big fireworks display indeed. Alright. Have a good evening, everybody.